With Cocos A and B, your plants receive a balanced mix of nutrients during their entire growth and flowering phase. The nutrients in these products are easily absorbable over a wide pH range. Cocos A and B are best combined with buffered cocoa substrates, like our Cocos Premium, Cocos Bricks, and Cocos Slab. They also go great with our mixed substrates, Plagron Cocos Perlite 70-30 and Plagron Hydro Cocos 60-40. When growing on a cocoa substrate, you have the advantages of a hydrological culture, but also a large buffer against growing problems like overwatering. Cocos A and B is a two-component nutrient that cannot be used on its own. They are in separate bottles because they can only be together when diluted. Be careful. You have to add Cocos A and Cocos B to your water one by one. Make sure both bottles are shaken in advance. Use Cocos A and B every time you water your plants. The dosage depends on the phase your plants are in. You can use our grow schedule calculator to know how much nutrients your plants need. Suppose your plant is in week 5 and you have a 10-litre water barrel. In this case, first add 35 milliliters of Cocos A. Stir properly. Then add 35 milliliters of Cocos B and stir again. Finally, make sure the pH value of the resulting nutrient solution is between 5.5 and 6.5. For the best results, we advise combining Cocos A and B with our additives, Power Roots, Pure Zym, and Green Sensation. Plagron, support your growth. #PassItOn. Got any questions? Make sure to check out our social media channels.